Whether you've traveled to Germany before or you've read about drinking a Maß at the Oktoberfest in Munich, you've probably come across this weird, better-looking letter, the Eszett. Chances are that you probably didn't know how to pronounce it or that you mistook it for the letter B. But don't worry, even a lot of Germans often struggle with this letter. But what is it actually about? The name of this letter, Eszett, indicates a sharp S sound, which gives it its colloquial name, scharfes S, so sharp S. It is basically the equivalent of a double S. So remember, when you're reading those street signs, it's not Straße, but Straße. In other German-speaking countries, such as Switzerland or Liechtenstein, the Eszett does not exist. So instead of writing heiß, meaning hot, with an Eszett, they just write it with a double S. It may seem confusing, but once you learn about it, it's really not that complicated.